Today, we're diving into the 2026 Land Rover Velar, a car that effortlessly blends elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. From the moment you approach it, the Velar makes a statement. Its sleek, sculpted body, sharp lines, and flush door handles give it a modern, futuristic look, while still retaining the rugged DNA that Land Rover is known for. The front grille is bold, yet refined, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. Day or night, step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Premium materials cover almost every surface, off-touch leather, brushed metal accents, and subtle ambient lighting that sets the mood perfectly. The dual touchscreens on the center console are intuitive, responsive, and integrate seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity effortless. There's also a digital driver display that provides customizable information right in front of you. From navigation prompts to real-time vehicle stats, under the hood, the 2026 Velar offers multiple powertrain options. You can choose from a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a mild hybrid 6-cylinder, or for those who crave pure thrill, a supercharged V6, no matter the engine. The Velar delivers smooth acceleration, precise handling, and a quiet, composed ride thanks to its adaptive air suspension system. On paved roads, it's agile and responsive, while off it shines with Land Rover's terrain response technology, adjusting traction, throttle, and braking to conquer mud or snow effortlessly. One of the most remarkable things about the Velar is how it balances luxury with practicality. There's generous cargo space, smart storage compartments, and even a hands-free power liftgate that makes loading and unloading effortless. Safety is another strong suit, with advanced driver assistance features including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Design-wise, the Velar is all about subtle sophistication. Its floating roofline, wide stance, and dynamic profile create an impression of movement even when parked. The rear features slim LED taillights and a subtle spoiler, adding to its sporty yet elegant silhouette. Wheels come in various sizes and finishes, letting owners personalize the look to match their style. What really sets the 2026 Velar apart is its ability to be both a daily driver and a weekend adventure companion. It's refined enough to glide through city streets or cruise on the highway in absolute comfort, yet rugged and capable enough to tackle off-road trails that would challenge most SUVs. Every detail, from the suspension tuning to the cabin acoustics, has been designed to provide an unmatched driving experience. In short, the 2026 Land Rover Velar is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It combines breathtaking design, advanced technology, versatile performance, and all the luxury you could ask for in a single package. Whether you're navigating city traffic, taking a long road trip, or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails, the Velar delivers confidence, style, and pure driving pleasure.